Hello there, I am Chris Rawlins and I'm very, very excited to talk to you about clarity. I understand you might have seen the original trailer and you might have some questions, and I thought this would be a good time to give you all the answers you need to make an informed choice about whether this absolute monster of a peak device is for you. What do you receive inside of the box? You receive one specially designed clipboard made by Masuda, thought of and created by me, perfectly manufactured by Masuda himself. You also received a specially gimmicked bulldog clip and mysterious black envelope, and of course video instructions that outline how to use this to the best of its ability. With the push of a button, I can now see that image perfectly. It's literally that simple. It's the push of a button. What kind of marker pens can you use? This is the one that I prefer. You can also use anything like this that resembles a Sharpie, that has a relatively thick, strong ink flow. Here's how it looks with 90 GSM paper. Here's how it looks with watercolor 190 GSM cardstock. The best part, you can have somebody write or draw an image on the board and set it face down on the table. All you do, move the board slightly. You can do this as you pick up a marker pen or pick up your own clipboard or drawing pad. And with it face down on the table, you can see with perfect clarity. This is as good as electronics at a fraction of the cost, and something that will never fail, will never break, does never ever need charging or recharging. Perfect for parlor, stage, private parties or corporate events. Big enough that it will pop to the back of a room with a few hundred people in, yet it is not so big that you can use it in a parlor situation and it doesn't feel out of place. It's literally razor thin. This is so beautifully made, so elegant, so simple, so instant. It feels like real magic. In addition to receiving the beautiful box that we've had made for this incredibly special gimmick, you will also be receiving video instructions that contain details of 3 different handlings for clarity, how to care for the board, the history of the ideas that are incorporated within the board itself. I'll also be sharing something that I've held close to my heart for a very long time, something that I like to call the full 10 minute. Full 10 minutes is a full 10-minute act. If you book me to do a corporate show, you will have seen me do that. If you book me to perform at your private party in your home, you will have seen me do the full 10 minutes. And that alone is worth the price of this project. We have worked extremely hard to bring you something of extremely high quality, packaged beautifully and crammed full of incredible information. I am Christopher Rawlins, and this is clarity.